You know when Blizzard said they'd release the LGBT character soon and not Blizzard TM soon? They just released a comic short for the holidays and like all the characters are going home to see their families for the holidays. If the gay character is not in this right now, going home to see their boyfriend or girlfriend, I'm gonna lose all my shit. Let's read. Is this Tracer? It is Tracer talking then. Where's she going? Is this her girlfriend? Holy shit, I think it's her girlfriend. Holy fuck, I think it's her girlfriend. Yes! Oh, Tracer's gay! Fuck yeah! Thank you, Blizzard. Listen to me. Jeff Kaplan, are you listening to me? Everybody, Cara Theobald, are you listening? Because this concerns you too. Are you listening to me? Let me do this in a very diplomatic style. Hello, Blizzard. I'm a gay. I play your games. I read your comics. Ooh. I'm gonna cry, I'm sorry. Hi, Blizzard. Thank you. Ooh. Thank you. I don't have anything else to say. I have to finish this comic. Ooh, oh, but now there's tears going down my face. Hi, Blizzard. I'm a gay. Thanks for putting me in there, representing me. Pretty fucking cool of you. Ah!